In today's video, we're going to do a minor repair. We're going to install some door stops on the fuel door and also on the tailgate on my 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3L V8 Z71 4x4. So these little door stops that go right there on the right side, as you can see, it's empty in those two little holes. Now, I don't understand what happened. I don't know if they vibrate out or if people find these as being pocket items and they'll just walk by your truck and pull them out and steal them and then maybe resell them back to you on Amazon. I don't know. But I got them off of Amazon and they come in a pack of 8. I'll go ahead and include a link to these in the description below. The package consists of 8 fuel door rubber stops and also 8 tailgate rubber stops. That's a lot of them. All you need is a screwdriver. Be sure to get the most narrow screwdriver you can get to get them into the holes. So that way you can squeeze it in between the rubber stop and the hole that it goes into. Now I used the screwdriver and it made it just a little bit difficult to get in there. So I actually had to go in there and push them in even harder and twist them to get them to seat all the way in. When I ordered these, I thought they were going to be too tall and it was going to make the door stick out, but they don't. It actually makes the door look really flush and nice up against the truck. And now that I watch this video, it looks like maybe I can put 2 more on the left side of the fuel cap, right there on the left side where you see the other 2 holes. Yes, I will be making a video on replacing that gas cap. That gas cap was covered in mold and it was all dirty. I don't know if maybe the seal was leaking fuel and that's what caused the mold, but I will be creating a video and uploading that shortly. Now let's head on over to the tailgate and install the tailgate rubber stoppers. So whenever I started over here on the right side, I realized I was missing that one. Also, I noticed that there's a lot of rust and crust buildup here. So whenever I do the undercarriage and I go down there and I go and I scrub that all down and I treat it, you will be seeing that video and you'll also see me treat this part of the truck. Now these rubber stops are easy to install. All you do is you just slide them on and supposedly those hooks are supposed to hold them in place. And I went ahead and just replaced this other old one. I figure it's already old and at some point it's going to fail and fall out. Again, I will have a link to all these rubber stops in the description down below. Now, if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I want to thank all of my subscribers for their viewership. I recently surpassed 100 subscribers. And if you guys are enjoying this content, be sure to hit the like button and the notification bell so that way you know when I upload another repair video on my 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3L V8 Z71.